Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I play Slap Tower 3. Okay, wait, let me get the golden hand. So I bro, like this is so easy. Wait. The other one I'm gonna get it. Check me. Check this out guys. I'm so pro at parkour guys. Like yeah. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so close, guys. Like, how? I'm not gonna get it because that's so waste of time. I'm just gonna finish this tower so I can eat, guys. Like, my family is eating. Bro, please don't troll, brother. Thank you, brother. Oh, pause. Okay. I'm in the green now. Lego. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Guys, my challenge guys is every if I see a people guys I will slap them. Wait for my turn. Let's sorry. Oh yo this is not good bro. Like I slapped him and it did not work. Sorry guys, I ran a bunch of what that means guys. I don't know how to English. I'm learning pa guys. Now. I'm learning. Okay. I'm speedrunning this guys. Like no stop, no death. Yes, sir. I love it. Yes. Oh, yeah. I'm completing this guys no matter what because I completed one tower guys out of many towers like this. I completed like one guys. I completed the slap tower 6 I think. Hey, no way, brother. Okay. This is good because I'm in the purple. I almost. Sorry, guys. I'm learning skills, guys. Sorry if I'm slow for you, guys. No, please, brother. Oy, no. Really, bro? Like I said I'm not. Yo, brother, this is not good, bro. My time limit, bro, like 10 minutes or 8, bro, like that, bro. And I got, bro, brother, stop, bro, please. If I'm not gonna complete this 2,000 likes and I will complete this. I will make a part 2. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, sorry, guys. Uh, this video guys is bunch of step a white. I don't know guys how to call that. What call that? Okay guys, sorry. There's something. Yo, this is not good. Okay. I'm in the purple guys. Purple. I'm purple guys. Purple. I love it. Oh yes. My last is blue. Yes. I played this guys and I don't complete. I'm on the blue guys but I not completed. Oh yes, this is the time where we fight and do our job guys. Like oh yes. This is so basic. Oh yeah. Okay. Ay! Oh no, really bro, like I'm gonna cry, bro. Like, yo, Sam, get out of my face, brother. No, oh, yo, brother. Why? Okay, back. I'm gonna speedrun this, guys. No. Yes. Good. Nice work. I love it. Okay, guys, wait, guys. Okay, really, bro. Like, I'm gonna complete this tower, bro. No matter what happen. But if I'm gonna complete, but if I'm not gonna complete this in time, I'm gonna rage quit, bro. I'm gonna do a next and part 2 of this. My content, bro, is everything. Not in one, yes, like that. If you want to complete this, guys, this is for professionals, guys, and I'm professionals, okay? Yo. Hey, yo, brother. Wait. Okay, nice. Oh, I'm gonna do some tricks. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, I keep coming back to purple or what? Yes, purple. And I'm gonna die, bro. Like, yo. Oh, yeah. Yo, shut up, bro. Okay, nice. Please. Yes, bro, thank you. That girl, bro, is so annoying, bro. Like, I can slap him in one. Okay, I love it. Can we pause, bro? Oh, yeah. Oh, a little head. Yes. I love it, guys. I love it. Okay, some little. Bro, guys, I'm gonna tarung this, guys. Sorry, I took a... Wait, guys, wait. I'm gonna complete this, guys. Oh, no, yeah. Oh, okay, guys. This is what, yo, really, bro, like, I'm gonna end, bro, like, wait, guys, I'm gonna post this, guys, so if you watch this, it's so basic, bro, like, bye. No. I'm gonna continue this video, guys. I'm gonna pause till now, and I'm gonna continue this if I'm in the blue, or no, I'm in the those spinny things, bro. I don't know how to call the rainbow one. Yes, like, oh, yo, I said my challenge. If I'm gonna run into this, guys, I'm gonna slap. Yo, why is that working, brother? Okay, I'm gonna pause this, guys. Bye. Trollers, no, okay, I love it. Oh, you're not gonna troll me. No, they're so close. Yes. No. He's gonna troll me, bro. Yes, bro. Oh, there are many trollers. Okay. Pause. Oh, really, bro? Like, okay, guys, I'm here. I'm waiting for someone, guys. Oh, he's here. I'm gonna troll her. I'm gonna troll him, guys. Wait. Bro, he's pretending to be hot. Oh, no. Pause. Guys, this is my last attempt. If I'm not gonna make it, guys, 10,000 likes, guys, for part 2. Okay, guys, hi. I'm in the rainbow thing, and I'm in the pink, bro. Yes. Oh, they're so close. Wait. No, I'm trying to be not hit. Like, I'm not trying to hit the white ball. Okay, I'm in the purple. Yes. Yay. Okay, guys, wait. Guys, just ignore the talking or the barking, anything that sounds, anything that talking, or just ignore that. I mean here, guys. Oh, that's so close, bro. Like I'm gonna be raging greatly. Like sorry, guys, if some YouTubers guys is watching me. Sorry, I'm not gonna yo really bro. Sorry if I'm not gonna complete this. I'm gonna complete this, guys, in part 2. Bye.